In this tutorial I will show you how to make this AI micro world manipulations for free. Open your browser. Search for bing.com. Click on Images. Click on Create. Here you can type your prompt. I simply typed 3D realistic mini world style of India. Trees and river with drop shadow. On a glass table. Click on Create button. It did great job. Click on Image to preview. Let's try for Pakistan. It's very nice.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
If you want to download this image, simply click on Download here. I will add this prompt in video description. If you want more prompts and tutorials like this, let me know in comments section.